What's going on, guys? It's me, Tim, and I want to talk about Bngo. They just released their earnings, and I'll leave you the full earnings call down below, and I'll also leave you the press release that we're about to go over here. Consider hitting the like, subscribing, ringing the notification bell, check out the links down below, and let's look at Bngo. And as I said, I will leave this report down below for you. But their fourth quarter revenue was $8.2 million, which is a record-breaking quarter, and it represents a 30% increase over Q4 of 2021. Full year revenue was $27.8 million, which is a 55% increase over year-end 2021. They did reach an installed base of 240 of their systems, their OGMs, which is a 48% increase over the year 2021. And the CEO said, "We started the year against a challenging external backdrop, and over the course of the year achieved or exceeded all of the stated 2022 Elevate milestones we outlined in the beginning of 2022. And the CEO also said, "Bionano issued revenue guidance for the first time in 2022, and we exceeded our total 2022 guidance range. We were also pleased to see an uptick in overall awareness and adoption of OGM, or optical genome mapping, across the globe. And there have been some recent business highlights, such as prenatal and postnatal validation studies, which compared OGM against the current standards of care. And they did have great results, and I'll leave you with a previous video that goes over that at the end screen or down below. We mentioned the Sapphire systems that were installed, but let's look over the flow cells, and this is kind of a recurring revenue. They sold 4,781 flow cells in Q4, which was a 49% increase over the fourth quarter of 2021, so the quarter a year ago. And in total in 2022, they sold 15,375 flow cells, which is a 23% increase over 2021. They also acquired a business called Purigen, which they expect to accelerate the adoption of their OGM. Now, I did want to skip over a couple things, so make sure you check this out down below. But I did want to mention that their 2022 GAAP, which is accepted accounting principles, that operating expense was $39.3 million compared to $29 million in the prior year. So they have been increasing their expenses, and we know this company isn't profitable. But one thing to consider is they do still have $113 million as of December of 2022. And as they increase their revenue, they can tighten those losses, but they have roughly right around a year to do so. Now, they did give 2023 guidance. Bionano expects full year 2023 revenue to be in the range of 35 to 38 million, which would represent about 26 to 37% growth over the full year of 2022 revenue. And they anticipate that the installed base of OGMs, or their Sapphire systems, will total to about 325 by the year end of 2023. Now, price can definitely change drastically from when you watch this and when I uploaded it, but you'll notice that this is still one stock that has held up its May 11 lows, meaning it's nearly been a year now that this stock hasn't created a new low. But from a technical standpoint, it does look like it's in a downtrend. It is under the 3 EMAs, under the moving averages. It's been having trouble breaking out of this descending resistance here that it has bounced off of a few times. And if the market continues to fall, Bngo will definitely fall as well. But it is good to see that they had a record-breaking quarter in terms of revenue. It is still certainly high risk as they aren't profitable, and they may potentially need dilution down the road. But if you're a long-term investor and you believe in the vision and you believe that they will eventually reach profitability and this is actually a good business over the long term, then you're likely taking advantage of all of these pullbacks of all of this fear. But keep an eye on Bngo. Watch this 118 level. It's low. If it breaks that, it may fall even more. But it really depends on how Wall Street takes these earnings. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. I'm going to take the time to listen to the earnings call, and then I'll be coming at you with another video going over their call. But have a good rest of your day, and I'll see you later.